In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Jira. We'll walk through connecting a Trello board to Jira using a power-up, authorize the connection, and then I'll show you exactly how to turn it off if you ever need to. I'll explain what's happening at each point so you know why each click matters. Start by heading to Trello. Once you're on the Trello homepage, open your list of boards. From there, choose the board you want to connect with Jira. I'm opening a board called Yes Board, but you should pick whichever board you plan to sync. Inside the board, find the Power-Ups option. This is Trello's app marketplace for adding extra features to a board. Click Power-Ups, then choose Add Power-Ups to open the directory. In the directory, go to the search bar and type Jira. This filters the catalog to integrations relevant to Jira so you don't have to scroll. From the search results, select Jira plus Trello two-way sync. This is powered by Unito, and it's a popular way to keep Trello cards and Jira issues aligned in both directions. Click Add to install it on your board, and then confirm by clicking Add again if you're prompted. Trello may briefly show a confirmation modal. Once it's done, close the directory by clicking the X and you'll return to your board. Next, open Power-Ups again so you can access the one you just added. Look for Unito Sync in your list of enabled Power-Ups and click it. This opens the panel where you'll connect accounts and authorize permissions so the sync can work properly. Click Authorize to begin the secure connection flow. You'll see an authorization screen requesting access so the integration can read and update items on your behalf. When you're ready, click Allow. This permission is required for two-way sync, which is what lets changes in Trello appear in Jira and vice versa. After the authorization completes, click Got it to finish and close the success message. Back in your Trello board, open the newly added Jira integration from your Power-Ups list to confirm it's active. Clicking Jira here is simply a quick check that everything is installed and visible. Once you've confirmed that, close the panel by clicking the X to return to your board workspace. Now let's look at how to manage or remove the integration. Open Power-Ups once more to see all installed features. Find the Jira-related Power-Up and use the checkbox style toggle next to it to bring up more options for managing it. Click Settings to access the controls, and then choose Disable if you want to turn off the integration for this board. Trello will ask you to confirm, so click Disable Power-Up to finalize. This is helpful if you're testing the connection, pausing a project, or simply don't need the sync anymore. Disabling removes it from the board, and you can re-add it later if your workflow changes. To recap the flow you just followed, you opened your Trello board, went to Power-Ups, searched for Jira, added the Jira plus Trello two-way sync by Unito, authorized access so the sync can function, confirmed the integration was present, and then learned how to disable it cleanly. As you use this setup, remember that your Trello permissions and workspace settings determine who can add and manage Power-Ups. Also, because this is a two-way sync tool, it needs the proper permissions to read and write in order to keep cards and issues aligned. That's it. You've integrated Trello with Jira and know exactly how to manage the connection going forward.